Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into a tool called Grigora that's making a really big promise. It wants to be the all-in-one platform that lets you build your website, run your blog, and send your newsletters without all the usual tech headaches. So let's see if it actually lives up to the hype.
All right, let me start with a question, and I want you to be honest. Does this sound familiar? Are you just tired of juggling a dozen different plugins, wrestling with conflicts that break your site, and just watching your page load speeds crawl? It's a super common frustration, and it's the exact problem Grigora says it can solve.
And here's the answer, straight from the founder, Karan Bakuni. He says Grigora is the platform he always wished WordPress could be. Now that is a bold statement, so let's dig in and see what pushed him to build this thing in the first place. To really get what Grigora is all about, we have to start with the problem it's trying to fix. And it's a problem many of us know all too well, the WordPress problem. Here's the core frustration, right? Building anything online can feel like a high-wire juggling act. You've got one tool for your site builder, another for your SEO, a third for your email list, and you're just praying they all play nice together. The founder of Grigora argues this just leads to bugs, slow sites, and you spending more time fixing stuff than actually creating.
And that exact frustration, that juggling act, is what sparked the idea for a founder's alternative. This wasn't just some random business idea. It was a direct response to a very real, personal struggle with the way things were.
This really gets to the heart of it all. The whole philosophy here is that your tools should be helping you, not holding you back. Grigora was basically born from this one idea, to finally merge speed, creative control, and powerful SEO into one single streamlined place.
And this wasn't some overnight success. The founder's journey included building other software products before this. And through all those ups and downs, one big lesson became crystal clear. For creators, what really matters is simplicity, speed, and genuine value. Grigora is pretty much the result of all those lessons learned.
So, with that backstory in mind, let's pop the hood and see what this thing can actually do. What's inside this all-in-one toolkit?
First up, the main event, the website builder. The whole promise here is making it fast and easy to get a professional-looking site up and running, even if you have absolutely zero coding skills. And here's how they pull it off. You get a simple drag-and-drop editor, for all your text, images, buttons, the usual stuff. You start with these pre-built templates, so you're never just staring at a scary blank screen. And maybe most importantly, every single thing you build is automatically mobile-friendly from the get-go, which is just non-negotiable these days. But look, a beautiful website is just the beginning, right? So the next major part of Grigora is its blogging platform, and this one is built with a laser focus on what actually gets you traffic, search engine optimization, or SEO. Now this is where it gets really powerful, especially for content creators. Instead of just guessing what might rank on Google, Grigora has AI built in to help you write. As you're typing, it's giving you keyword suggestions in real time. It even helps you automate internal linking, which is huge for SEO. And you can do your keyword research and track your rankings right there inside the dashboard. Okay, the third piece of this trifecta is all about building your community and talking to your audience. This is where Grigora really tries to eliminate the need for even more of your external tools. The magic word here is integration. You can use their built-in forms to collect email subscribers, and then right from that same platform, you can send out your newsletters. No more exporting and importing lists between services. And if you've got a team, you can all work together in real time. Oh, and for the agency folks out there, there's a white label option too, but just a heads up, that is a separate add-on. Okay, so that's what the tool does. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the AppSumo deal itself, and what the community is saying about it so far. First things first, let's talk social proof. Right now, Grigora has a user base of over 900 customers. That tells you this isn't some beta product that just launched yesterday. There's a real community here already putting it to the test. And what do those users think? Well, across 47 reviews on AppSumo, it's holding an incredibly strong 4.8 out of 5 average rating. For anyone who follows AppSumo deals, you know a score that high is a massive green flag. Let's just break that down for a second. AppSumo uses tacos instead of stars. And you can see here, out of those 47 reviews, a whopping 41 of them are 5-taco top-tier reviews. The fact that only a single person gave it a low rating really speaks volumes about how well it's been received.
Now, for the deal itself. It's not just one size fits all, it's broken up into a few different tiers. So let's take a quick look at what you get.
Okay, here's the breakdown. Tier 1 kicks off at just $59 for a single website and 2,500 subscribers, which is honestly perfect for a personal project or a small business just starting out. As you go up the tiers, you get way more websites, subscribers, team numbers, and those valuable AI credits. That Tier 4 is pretty clearly aimed at agencies or power users managing a whole bunch of sites. The real question is just figuring out where you fit.
And this, right here, is probably the most important part of any AppSumo deal. You are completely covered by a 60-day money-back guarantee. Think of it less as a purchase and more as a 2-month totally risk-free trial. You have plenty of time to get in there, build a site, and really see if it's the right fit for you.
So, after looking at the problem it's solving, the features it offers, and the deal on the table, what's the final verdict? Let's boil it all down. So what's the general feeling from people who are actually using it every day? On the love it side, we're hearing a ton about the super smooth builder, the really robust SEO tools, having that newsletter feature built right in, and of course, how fast the sites are. As for drawbacks, a few users have mentioned they'd love to see more templates to choose from and pointed out some limitations with multilingual support. Both are totally fair points for a platform that's still growing. And that brings us right back around to the big question, the one that really matters for you. Is your current setup, juggling all those different tools for your site, your content, your SEO, your emails, is it actually slowing you down? Is it holding back your growth? Because if the answer is yes, then a unified platform like Grigora might just be the solution you've been hoping for.